Good morning everybody. I hope you all are fine beta. Today we are going to start with term 2 syllabus. Okay, and the topic we are going to do is pronouns. Okay, so we are going to talk about a boy whose name is Gitu here. Okay, read with me. Gitu is a good player. Gitu always plays well. Everybody loves Gitu. So here we will see that this word Gitu is being used again and again. We can use some other word instead of using Gitu again and again. Which word is that? Instead of Gitu, we can use other words like he or him. Then how we will write the sentence? Gitu is a good player. He always plays well. Everybody loves him. So these words he, him, he, she, her, these are pronouns. Now what are pronouns? Pronouns are the words which are used in place of nouns. I hope this much is clear. So we will move further with the exercise related to this. Now beta, take out your English grammar books. Page number is 31, exercise 1. Okay, so exercise is replace the nouns in blue color in the following with pronouns selecting from the given choices. Two choices are given here in red color. You need to select which is the correct one. Okay, first sentence is Geeta is a tall girl. Geeta can touch that ceiling fan. Now here we are Geeta, we know is a girl. So what word we can use here instead of Geeta? He or she. Now Geeta is a girl. For girls we use she. So instead of writing here Geeta again, we will be using she. And you will put a tick here. Okay. Second sentence is the teacher called Mohan. Mohan did not hear him. Now we know that Mohan is a name of a boy. Okay. So for boys we use he or she. Very good. We use he. Okay. Then third sentence. I saw, put a tick here. I saw Ashok, Rita and Sam. Ashok, Rita and Sam were buying kites. Now what we are going to do here, we see that Ashok, Rita and Sam. It is, we are talking about more than one person. They are in plural form. So for plurals we use they. Okay. So instead of writing Ashok, Rita and Sam again, we will be using one word for them, that is they. Now beta, next two you will practice yourself. Try to do it yourself. If you are unable to do it, don't worry. The PDF for the same will be sent to you. Now we move on to the next page. Now open page number 32 bache. Next we are going to do this. Read this with me. 5.2. Pronouns are also used to show as to whom a thing belongs. So they are also used as possessives. Possession show करते हैं. किमें जिमें this is my pen not yours. इस सेंटेंस का अपन की समझ आता है कि ये पेन मेरा है. The words मेरा, yours, not yours, तेरा नहीं है. ठीक है. मेरा, our school जिमें तेच लिखे है this is our school. The books on the table are mine. Your books are on the shelf. My shirt is green. Yours is blue. My father gave me a golden watch. I like it. So all these words, my, yours, ours, mine, these are all words which show possession. Possession ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਮੇਰੀ ਹੈ. ਜਿਹੜੇ words ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ possession show ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. Possessives. Okay. Now exercise related to this we are going to do exercise 2. ठीक है बच्चे. Fill up the blanks with suitable pronouns. First one is we love dash school. Our school or us school. की लिखेंगे अपन. We love our school. So you will put a tick here, our, and you will write here O-U-R. Okay, next sentence. She wants to play with my toys. She has broken mine or hers. She wants to play with my toys. वो मेरे toys ना खेलना चाहती है. She has broken. क्यों खेलना चाहती है? She has broken क्योंकि she has broken मतलब टूट गए. उन्हें अपने toys टूट गए. ठीक है? So which word we will be using? Mine or hers? Hers. So she has broken hers. उन्हें अपने toys टूट गए हैं. इस करके वो मेरे toys ना खेलना चाहती है. Okay? Next, third sentence. Give dash my book back. Me or his? Give me my book back. मेरी book मैनू वापस कर दो. In class also you people most of the time say, ma'am, he has taken my book, this is my pencil. We keep fighting for these petty things. So this is me, मेरा जेड़ा है, that is possession. भी ये चीज मेरी है. I hope this is clear to you. Now we move next picture. This part you will try to do yourself. Okay. Now exercise 3 we will be discussing. Now बच्चे we will be doing page number 33, exercise 3. Okay. Underline the pronouns in the following sentences. The first one has been done for you. I shall make your tea for you. So in this one sentence we have to underline as many as pronouns you can see. I is a pronoun, your is a pronoun, you is also a pronoun. Okay. Now next sentence. You will see him soon. So you is a pronoun here and him is also a pronoun. Okay. So underline them. Then third sentence. She loves her mother. She is a pronoun and her is also a pronoun. Then fourth. They always help their friends. They is also a pronoun and there is also a pronoun. The rest, after like 5 to 10, you will do yourself. Do the practice. So these words like I, you, your, him, her, she, all these are pronouns. You will underline them. Okay. Now move further. We will go to page number 35. Page number 35, exercise 6 we will be doing. Okay. बच्चे exercise 4 and exercise 5. Put a cross there. These exercises we won't be doing. Okay. Now move on to exercise 6. Page number 35, exercise 6. Fill up the blanks with suitable pronouns. Okay. You must keep dash clothes neat and clean. Your clothes or my clothes? So you must keep your clothes. अपने clothes साफ सुथरे रखो. Your clothes. Your word we will be using. So put a tick here. Your tick करना and you will write in the blank. Okay. Next is we should do dash duty. Your duty or our duty? We should do our duty. So put a tick here and write down our. Okay. Then next is he asked him to complete dash homework. His homework or him homework? His homework. Okay. बच्चे, so the next you will try to do yourself. A PDF related to this would be sent to you soon. So please try to do it. I hope the topic is clear to you. Bye bye.